Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn how to do multiplication of a 4-digit number by a single digit number in class 4. We know that multiplication is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. Let us go into the details of this video now. The first sum that we are going to do is multiply 4413 by 2. So first, write down the 4-digit number and its place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. It is always a good practice to write down the place values so that when you're going to multiply it by a single digit number, children will be very clear that they'll have to write that number in the ones place. Now begin multiplication from the ones place. So first multiply 2 by 3. 2 into 3 is 6 ones. Next go to the tens place, multiply 2 by 110. What will you get? 2. So you write 2 in the tens place. Next 2 into 4 in the hundreds place will give you 8 hundreds. So write 8 in the hundreds place. Next 2 into 4 in the thousands place will give you 8 thousands. So write 8 in the thousands place. So what is the product of 4413 by 2? It is 8826. This is a simple 4-digit multiplication by a single digit number where you did not have any carryover or the regrouping concept. Next, we are going to see sums which involve regrouping once, regrouping twice, and even thrice. And sometimes when you multiply a 4-digit number by a single digit number, you might even end up receiving a 5-digit number as an answer. So stay with me till the end of this video to understand all these concepts. The next sum that we are going to do is multiply 1826 by 4. Write down the 4-digit number and multiply it by the single digit number 4. Begin the multiplication from the ones place. 4 into 6 is 24. So now we have to regroup this 24 ones, which is nothing but 2 tens plus 4 ones. So retain the 4 ones in the ones place and take the 2 as a carryover to the tens place. Next we'll have to multiply 4 into 2 is 8. Now we have to add that 8 plus 2 which has been carried over and you get the answer to be 10 tens. So what is 10 tens? 10 tens is 100. So retain the 0 in the tens place and take the 100 as a carryover to the digits in the hundreds place. Next multiply 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is 32. 32 plus 100 will give you 33 hundreds. So how will you write 33 hundreds when you regroup? 33 hundreds is nothing but 3300. So retain the 300 in the hundreds place and take the 3000s as a carryover to the number in the thousands place. Next multiply 4 by 1 which is 4. We have to add that carried over 3000 now. So you will get 7000. So write 7 in the thousands place. So the product of 1826 by 4 will give you 7304. So hope you would have understood how we regrouped and multiplied and got the answer. Let us do another type of sum. Multiply 2450 by 3. Write down the 4-digit number and the single digit number by which you are going to multiply in the ones place and begin the multiplication from the ones place now. 3 into 0 is 0. So write 0 in the ones place. Next 3 into 5 is 15 in the tens place. So you get 15 tens. 15 tens is nothing but 150. So write the 5 in the tens place and take the 100 as the carryover to the digits in the hundreds place. Next 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So you have 13 hundreds now, which is nothing but 1300. So retain the 300s in the hundreds place and take that 1000 as a carryover to the digits in the thousands place. Next multiply 3 by 2 which will give you 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write 7 in the thousands place. So the answer is 7350. Hope it is clear so far. So let us move on to the next sum now. Multiply 5273 by 5. Write down the 4-digit number and multiply it by the single digit number 5. Begin the multiplication from the ones place. 5 into 3 is 15. So that is nothing but 15 ones. You can write it as 110 plus 5 ones. So write in the 5 ones in the ones place and take the 110 as a carry over to the tens place. Next, 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 110 is 36 tens. 36 tens is nothing but 360. So retain the 6 tens in the tens place and take the 300s to the hundreds place as a carryover. Next, 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So you have 13 hundreds now, which is nothing but 1300. So retain the 300s in the hundreds place and take the 1000 as a carry over to the thousands place. Next, 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So listen very carefully here. You have 26 thousands. How will you regroup this now? You will retain the 6 thousands in the thousands place. It is 26,000. So 2 10,000s plus 6,000 will give you 26,000. So you're retaining the 6,000s in the thousands place and taking the 2 10,000 to the next place value 10,000. So the answer is 26,365. That is what I told you in the beginning of the session. When you multiply a 4-digit number by a single-digit number, you might even end up getting a 5-digit number. So hope you have understood how we are doing this. Let us see some more examples. Multiply 6010 by 7. Write down the 4-digit number and multiply it by the single-digit number 7. Begin the multiplication from the ones place. 7 into 0 is 0. So write 0 in the ones place. Next, 7 into 1 is 7. So write the 7 in the tens place. Next, in the hundreds place, you have 0. So 7 into 0 is 0 hundredths. Next, multiply 7 into 6 in the thousands place, which will give you 42,000. That is nothing but 4 10,000s plus 2,000 will give you 42,000. So retain the 2,000 in the thousands place and move the 4 10,000s to the fifth place value, which is nothing but the 10,000s place. So you get the answer to be 42,070. See, in this case, we did not have any regrouping at all, but still you get a 5-digit number as an answer when you multiplied a 4-digit number by a single-digit number. Let us do another sum. Multiply 3,245 by 9. Write down the 4-digit number and the single-digit number by which you are going to multiply and begin the multiplication from the ones place. 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45. So you have 45 ones. How will you regroup this? 4 tens plus 5 ones. So retain the 5 ones in the ones place and take the 4 tens as a carry over to the tens place. Now multiply 9 by 4 in the tens place will give you 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. So you have 40 tens now, which is nothing but 400. So retain the 0 in the tens place and take the 400s as a carryover to the hundreds place. Next, 9 into 2 in the hundreds place is 18. Now we have to add that 4 which you carried over. 18 plus 4 will give you 22. So you have 22 hundreds now. That is nothing but 2,200. So retain the 200 in the hundreds place and take the 2,000s as a carryover to the thousands place. Next, 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. So you get 29 thousands, which is nothing but 2 10,000s plus 9 thousands will give you 29,000. So retain the 9,000 in the thousands place and take the 2 10,000s to the next place value 10,000. So in this sum we did regrouping thrice and got a 5-digit number as answer. And what is the answer? 29,205. So dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 4 under the topic multiplication, of which we have seen the first topic, properties of multiplication, in the first video for class 4. In the second video we saw multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, and then in the third video we saw how to multiply by 200, 300, 2000, 3000, and so on. Now in this video we saw how to multiply a 4-digit number by a single-digit number. In the next video we will be seeing how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number both regrouping and without regrouping. Then we will be dealing with the topic of estimating products, a very important topic. Then we'll deal with another important topic, multiplication of money. And then we will do story sums applying multiplication. And finally, we will work out mental math and multiplication worksheet. Each of these topics will be dealt with in separate videos, and links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. You may also click on the in-screen video which will take you to the playlist containing all the videos for class 4 multiplication. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel as your subscription definitely matters a lot to me. And click on the bell button to get regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again.